Nizim Africa thokozani sanibonani dumela ngaphishini and hello, this Dr. Utikehla Makhehla nyanga enkulu yase Nizim Africa. Bakwethu siyabingelela. Ngibingelela yonke Nizim Africa. La ungibona khona, there are people of which are watching us from UK, there are people which are watching us from Australia, there are people of which are following us rightly from Saudi Arabia, some in India, some in China. And I have also abantu abangilandela abaningi kakhulu from Mozambique, Botswana, Swaziland, Zimbabwe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. People of which are following me from Nigeria, but right, but they are few. It is just that 90% of the people which are following me from Nigeria, Abante good, they want to do business with me. Dr. Oti, we want to do business with you. No, guys. I need people who will be my potential clients or my serious street followers. Unlike Abante Guti, they always just bakulma izinto ukuthi sifuna business nawe nan bakuthi ngibonga futhi nabantu ukuthi they are commenting anything of which you are commenting. It makes the channel grow day by day. We are sitting on 57,800 subscribers. My wish ukuthi rightly by the end of 2026, at least sihlale ku 70,000 subscribers. We are now on 57,800 subscribers. Yes, 57,800 subscribers. I'm sure ngibiza kahle manje, ngabe ngabiza kahle. 57.8 thousand subscribers. Iphupho lami ukuthi by the end of this year asihlale ku 70,000 to show that, or 100,000 or even 150,000 to show that we are really working towards something. Ngiyabonga kakhulu to umama ume comment lapha yakubhala Miss Khumalo. I don't know whether she's the one I remember or not. There was a lady I once helped 2 years back, I think, or 3 years back. She was from KZN. I think she's a commenter in a very positive manner on our YouTube videos. Siyabonga. Kukhulu kubonga. Uyasho Dr. Uti a real deal. Wangisize eminyakeni yadlula. Siyabonga. I don't know what to say. Siyabonga. Kukhulu kubonga. Bakwethu, our video today is all about indaba yefinci akujuku paphaka akuthupha kwitha indaba ntsanga ayikho enye into. Ngikhuluma ngendaba yokuthi ikhekhe liyavuma kuku liyavuma ikhekhe liyavuma. You know ukuthi uma umuntu esifazane bakwethu ngikwenzele impande ebiza nje imali engange 1,000 rand. Uma umfazi oyikuthi ufuna ikuku lakho libe spicy, you want your cake to be spicy, ufuna ikuku lakho lishaye. Kunabantu abanekuku abanamakuku amabi naki bahlophatela lo kama nna ngiyawujwetsa njengendoda ngiyakutshela. Ngutshela njengendoda ngepriest kaNkulunkulu ukuthi kunabantu abanamakuku amabi. Naturally unekuku elibi, unekuku elingadleki, unekuku elingathandeki, unekuku elinesichitho. Kunabafazi abanjalo, abafazi abanekuku eliqosha amadoda. Angikuthu kiring, kunabafazi abanamakuku aqosha amadoda. Hey, musadi uyading, once wamudla uyabaleka. Ubona alemuhle, umuntu emuhle ebusweni, umuntu emuhle emzimbeni, but once avula ikuku uyabaleka. You go run. Uyabaleka. Naturally unekuku elibi, unekuku elingenamsoco, unekuku elingekho right. That's why you get each and every year uba nama XL 5, 10, 15, 20 and above. Kingantinto yini lento? Kanti lento lebangwa yini? Ingoba ikuku lakho alivumi ikuku lakho mntaka baba, ikuku lakho alisho, ikuku lakho aluyenza umsebenzi. I am telling you today, ikuku, the reason why ubona ikuku liba namanzi, amanzi la wakho, amanzi are serious. That's why utshela kuku iba limits. Lawo manzi lawo serious. Kumele indoda uma izwa amanzi akho, monna nto yabatla wena robana amanzi metsi. That's why you could get that there are women of you they squirt whenever you're eating it. a re shif monna o batla metsi monna o batla o nna di funa manzi monna o batla metsi kuku ya hao ke kuku e tlametse re be monate kuku ya hao e tlametse be le sopo kuku ya hao o tlametse o enjoy kuku ya hao o tlametse o e rate kuku ya hao ke bua ka kuku ya hao your own biscuit kumele ivume ngukhandele umuthi ozokwenza ukuthi ikuku lakho libe mnandi indoda yakho ihlale or any ndoda ungaba namadoda awu-10 awu-15 it is your own right kusuka kwena mntakwethu mara kumele ukuthi ikuku lakho indoda ihlale monna awutle monate ikuku ya ikuku lakho lelo and ikuku emele indoda lizoba mnandi uyabona amanzi akho when your water is watering in a good manner of watering to water the plants believe you me you will never be a wandering woman in a field or in a dungeon ikuku lakho it's your own medicine women are so lucky amadoda athanda ikuku abafazi bathanda imali musadi akathi pipi musadi uthanda imali indoda ithanda ikuku so I won't take long talking about this video ngiyale nale when uyazi inkinga zakho usunama your body count uyayazi kuku ya hao uyazi ukuthi dala idliwe emahlathini kudala udliwe emotweni kudala udliwe emafletini kudala udliwe ema-ofisini kudala udliwe ema-groundini kudala udliwe emahlathini kudala udliwe emadamini kudala udliwa nasemadustbin ke galojiwa kudala udliwe emikhukhwini kudala udliwa kuma-townhouse kudala nase-swimming pool wadliwa ha ona mo sa jewang teng kuku ya hao wa tseba wena e tsamaile go lokae bakwethu you know this thing might seem as if ngenze joke lana ngikhuluma into serious ikuku lakho ladliwa amaphoyisa ikuku lakho ladliwa abantu bonke nabantu basephalamende balidla ikuku lakho bathi bakiyeka thola umuthi kuku liyavuma ngemali engange 1000 rand 1000 rand ikuku liyavuma uyangihlambela uyangiqobela ikuku lakho liba right qoba amathanga qoba ikuku geza ikuku qoba ikuku qoba amathanga qoba lekuku le thasa kuku thasa sinana se sepente sinana se ngwanaka o tla utlwa wena siyabonga makhosi